Factories are the beating heart of the industry sector that account for 39% of all global energy-related carbon emissions. The challenge for factories all over the world is to meet growing demands for production while curbing emissions. This factory in Grodzisk, Poland runs on 100% green energy. The 13,000 square meter facility was established as the first Danfoss CO2 neutral factory building worldwide. It provides a decarbonization path for factories based on 3 overall steps. The first step is always improving energy efficiency. The next step is to reuse the energy that is already being produced. And the last step is to source the remaining demand from renewable sources. Only by taking all 3 of these steps into account and following the principle of the energy efficiency first are we able to achieve optimum results. Decarbonizing factory sites is possible all over the world. Imagine the potential when this is applied globally at scale. We engineer tomorrow to build a better future.